The outreach team frequently meets with people all over Kosovo to provide information about the Kosovo Specialist Chambers, to listen to people's concerns, and to answer their questions. We want to share with you today just some of the questions people have asked and our answers.
What is the Kosovo Specialist Chambers doing to ensure that the accused will receive a fair trial?
The rights of accused before the Kosovo Specialist Chambers are reflected in the Law on Specialist Chambers and Specialist Prosecutors' Office, the Kosovo Constitution, and international human rights law. Many of these rights may sound familiar. For example, an accused is presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond reasonable doubt.
When the accused first appears before the Kosovo Specialist Chambers, the pretrial judge must make sure that the right of the accused to be represented by a qualified lawyer is respected. The judge also has to ensure that the accused understands the charges against them.
An accused has the right to have adequate time and facilities to prepare for his or her defense and to communicate with their counsel whenever needed.
If an accused does not have the financial means to pay for a lawyer, the Kosovo Specialist Chambers will pay for a qualified legal counsel of their choosing.
To have a fair trial, the accused must have access to the evidence the prosecution will use against them during the trial. The process of providing the accused with this material by the specialist prosecutor is called disclosure. If the specialist prosecutor has any information that would suggest the innocence of the accused or mitigate their criminal liability, the prosecutor must provide this to the accused immediately.
At the end of the trial, a panel of 3 judges will decide for each charge if the specialist prosecutor has proved the guilt of the accused beyond a reasonable doubt. The accused has a right to appeal the judgment to a separate appeals panel.
Who funds the Kosovo Specialist Chambers?
The Kosovo Specialist Chambers and Specialist Prosecutors' Office are funded by the European Union and 5 contributing states.
Switzerland funds the Kosovo Specialist Chambers outreach program in Kosovo, and Norway funded the renovation of the premises of the Kosovo Specialist Chambers in The Hague. Other contributing states are the United States, Canada, and Turkey.